Alright, what's up everybody? It's your boy Mitch with BMORETALKS, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make tattooing. Finally, huh? So, I'm going to give you guys a little list and everything, but first things first, with this ink that I'm showing you guys to make, try not to go tattooing your friends and all that stuff. So, if you guys are going to do that, go on eBay or Amazon and go get a bottle of Kursumi or Mom's Ink or something like that. You know what I mean? Not that you can't use this. It's just, I mean, why? You know what I mean? You're not locked up or anything, so why? But the things you're gonna need, I always get either a Visine bottle or this is one of them little Colgate mouthwash bottles. Whatever it is, clean it out extremely good. All right, because you're gonna be putting your ink in it. So that's one. Got to get either a button or, I don't know, we used to use pieces of a Bic pen and break the little plastic tab off that's inside of it and shove them inside these. Put that aside for a second. I use a knife, a hammer, which you don't have to use a hammer if you don't want to. You can use a lighter, but I use a hammer. You're going to need water, number 2 pencil, which my number 2 pencil I already broke and everything because it takes me forever to break in things, but basically you're going to need a number 2 pencil and you're going to be getting the lead that's inside there, which I don't know why I call it lead because it's not lead, it's graphite. So just remember that it's not lead. Alright, so I've already got my pencil broke and my lead is right there, and you're going to need a paper towel or a napkin, and you're going to need an envelope. I have this rubber glove just in case. You don't need it, but I got it just in case. It gets real messy. And then I got paper stacked under here, and I got a plate. And you guys don't have to use a plate. You guys can use tin foil or wax paper. So basically, get your envelope after you break your pencil and you get your lead out of it. You'll take your lead, put it inside the envelope. Trying to get all this. What you're going to do is get all your graphite into the corner of the envelope. I fold mine closed just so the stuff don't come out everywhere. You take your hammer. Be right back. Alright guys, well I'm back after pulverizing this thing. So, like I said, after you done smash this thing, try to get it to the finest powder you can. And then at the corner of the envelope, pour it onto your plate or your aluminum foil, whatever you got. Put that to the side. Get my piece of paper, my towel, fold it up. And what I'm going to do now is dunk it into the water. Let it soak up a little bit. Just leave enough water on there to where you can just do 1 drop at a time. 1, 2, 3. Alright, I'm going to keep mine at 3 right now because I don't know how this is going to turn out. I got a little bit here. Might be alright. But as you're mixing it, smash it into itself and mix it with the water at the same time. Actually, this one's turning out pretty good. There we go. What it'll do is it'll start bleeding out. You'll see it. It'll change. And once it gets like that, like I said, don't add too much water. Once it gets like that though, you're good. Try to push it all over to the side. I'm cleaning my finger off for this. Well, as good as I can. Now with this little bit, I'm not going to pour it into this bottle, but I am going to use this lid. Oh, I hate that noise. Now, obviously, what you would do with this thing is this would be stick and poke ink. All right, I wouldn't necessarily use a machine on this. Machine ink, I would use sooted ink because you can get a lot and you can make it more like a professional ink. But this is really good for stick and poke. So, hopefully, everything turned out good for you guys. I hope it did. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, hit me in the comments below, and I'll go ahead and I'll make another video for the soot version, and then I might even do the chest pieces. It all depends. We'll see how it goes. But hopefully you guys enjoyed. On to the next one. See you guys soon.